Look, I've got that much left. Holy shit, what just happened? I just turned 23. The stupidest idea ever. Hey, what's up? It's our first day snowboarding today. I'm dressed up already.
I hate this part. Hey, let's go, lads. I lost my glasses. I think I'm in heaven. I'm in the heaven.
Sport.
Sport.
GoPro, stop recording.
Ty pičo. Ow.
Stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.
So we went snowboarding today, and I have to say it was quite fun. The first downhill, or the first ride that we took, oh my god, I fell like 50 times. My body hurts though, my legs are like so sore now. It's 4 PM now and they're closing down the slopes now. And I'm walking towards this peak of this mountain. I'll try to get there before the sunset. So I'm not even halfway through and I just walked that much and I feel really tired. This got really steep and like I'm really struggling. Look, I've got that much left. Oh. This is really steep now, but I'm almost there. Almost there. It's not even that steep anymore. Look at that view. This is stunning. Let's go, let's go. So I didn't make it to the tip. I didn't make it to the peak of the mountain. I'm like at one of the highest points here, and guys, look at that. This view is just so relaxing. And I think I'm just gonna sit down here for a bit and relax, drink water, and then I'm gonna head back to that hut because we got dinner at 6 and it took me like an hour to get up here, so there's a long walk home. But it's just stunning, guys. Water break. Always drink your water, guys, always. Cheers. Yeah, it's time to go back to the hut and get some dinner. Holy shit, what just happened? What did just happen? I hope you guys can see. Oh my god. I feel really cold now. I need to get back ASAP. Oh shit. Oh, that was so deep, mate. Oh. Shit. Oh my god. Fucking hell. So I don't know if you can see it, but this is really steep. And I've got these shoes on. So basically, I slipped and I literally just ran in from half of that part over there, half that way, from half of that way over there, all the way down here, and I managed to stop down here. I got snow everywhere. Oh my god, even underneath my jacket. Well, mate, the best hiking shoes I would tell you, I recommend these Nike SB. Back in here, I've taken the best shoes again. The rest, just somewhere around there. I just turned 23, guys. I don't know how to feel about it because I just feel so old now. It's actually mad, you know. So basically, we decided to climb the mountain peak again, and shoe with me, I brought these shoes again. So I'm kinda getting tired, but I'm almost there. The way's a bit slippery, especially with these shoes, but it's gonna be worth it. I don't know how I'm gonna make it down. It's like wind, too much wind. Getting down is worse than getting up. So, I made it to the mountain peak, safe and alive. Lost my friends. And this view is just like breathtaking, I have to tell you. I'm so glad I made it. Time to go down. Hopefully I'll survive because the way down is a bit slippery and it's more dangerous. Just made it through the rock part, and now there's a long way to go. And this is gonna be slippery. This was the stupidest idea ever. These shoes, man, I can't feel my toes at all. But I'm almost there. It's up there. I can't feel my toes. And here comes the crazy part where I fell last time. I completely slipped. I was sliding all the way from up there until here. It was quite fun, to be honest. Look, I'm all fucking covered in snow.